How to download Android APKs safely without risk of malware. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys a few methods to securely download Android APKs without having the risk of malware. First thing you need to do is you need to always use official sources first, like Google Play Store or Samsung Galaxy Store, because they scan every upload for security threats. If you must use an APK, in that case, you can go to Google Chrome and download the APK only from trusted and verified sites. So for example, if I want to download an APK for Epic Game Stores, I can just search for Epic Game Stores, Epic Games APK, and go to their official site, store.epicgames.com. And you need to avoid any sites that offer paid apps for free. Those are risky and often illegal as well. So if you just tap on install here, you should be able to install APK securely. Before installing, verify that the file using an APK signature checker or a virus total to ensure that matches the developer's original release. And always keep the Play Protect on your Android. So you can do that by going over to settings. And once you're on settings, find the security tab and then turn on Play Protect. From here, go over to app security and then make sure that the Google Play Protect is turned on. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.